there. In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss how to configure Outlook Express. Now, Outlook Express is a mail client of Windows XP, like Windows Mail in Windows Vista. And again, you need not to pay anything to configure your email in XP, just like Windows Vista. But from Windows 7, you have to buy Office, and you have to uh, then use those Outlook 2007. So until XP and Windows Vista, you are quite a professional way to access it. And you can see uh, not too much options are there. Very simple way you can create or you can configure a mail. Now I'm just going to accounts, choose accounts, same way like we did in Windows Mail. This is Windows Mail is actually the updated version of Outlook Express. Now we have to configure the mail. For example, name this test, next email address, and my email address in this way is test at client@gmail.com, and next, and pop3, obviously this is going to use it. The incoming mail server will be pop.gmail.com, and outgoing SMTP server will be smtp.gmail.com. It's a very simple way to understand about or learn about those. Now, account name, better to have at gmail.com things too. Internet mail logon. Password, just wants to give a password. Uh, if you won't give at gmail.com, doesn't matter, but it is best way to go with. Sometimes won't works, hence that's the reason even Google recommended to use at gmail.com. Okay, I just used SPA, just checked SPA, tries to connecting Outlook Express, but we should stop this because we forget one thing to do. And let me go to the properties, advanced, uh, check the SSL setting, and at outgoing I have to write 465, and the incoming will be 995. Closing this and tries to send or receive a mail. So securing, it took some time since it's Outlook Express, and nowadays too much security is added in the mail server of Google to they start using encryptions, secure socket layers, uh, and SSH. I can see the certification. Oops, I got the error. Receiver error something. Okay, just closing this, and let me goes to the email, which is Gmail. So again, tries to disable pop. If you already configure your email in some other mail client, for example Outlook or uh, Windows Mail, then better you disable pop and then enable pop. It won't work sometimes. Nowadays Outlook is very nowadays Gmail and other mail uh, address mail servers are very uh, secure, and they were very clever on knowing things. Hence, they made the security that only one offline tool work with email. Only one like Gmail client work at the time. Either if you are accessing your mails in, oops, again get error. But as I'm continuing, as if you are accessing Gmail in your smartphone, uh, then that email won't work. At least I didn't get that whenever it tries to configure my client, because your smartphones will keep synchronizing, and your smartphone app, which is Gmail app or Outlook app, is also work as an offline client. So without internet, you can't read those mails. That's the reason if you are accessing your email in your smartphones, those mails won't work if you try to configure it in Windows mails or Outlook mails. Let me remove this SPA, secure password authentication. Let's see whether we're able to send or receive a mail or not. Securing. And it will take some time. I wish that it will work. Uh, SPA may not uh, authorizing connected. Okay, so the problem was SPA. So we unchecked that. And now it's less secure, but we are receiving mails in Outlook Express. And those days in Windows XP's days, there was not that secure, and but internet is now a move in 2015. That's the reason too much secure, and since there too much encryptions now coming in every department. And you can see that it's receiving all mails at once and not even selecting the junk mails. There is no junk thing in Outlook Express. Everything is inbox. There was even in Windows Mail you saw that junk thing, but there is no junk in Outlook Express because those days there were no junks. Uh, Very less people have email, and they used to send. There is no promotional mails, and only people were professional people used to send mails. That's the reason there is no junk thing. But as soon as promotional mail started, as soon as companies start promoting, the spam mails will start increasing, and increasing rapidly. Now you can see another pop-up thing is there. Your picture will not download straight away. You have to press the pop-up, and you can see picture will start downloading. So inbox privacy was there from that time.